chamber. Let them stay at the back. We'll allow them in after the vote. They cannot vote in their own cause. Number two, you'll have two votes. The first one on the nominees from 1 to 19. Then the second one is on the rejection. On the rejection, they don't go together. So I now put the question, which is that taking into consideration the findings of the Committee on Appointments in its second report on the vetting of the nominees for appointment to office of Cabinet Secretaries laid on the table of the House today, Wednesday, 7th August 2024, and pursuant to the provisions of Article 152(2) of the Constitution and Section 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, this House, 1, approves the appointment of the following persons as Cabinet Secretaries. Honorable Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, Ministry of Interior and National Administration. Dr. Deborah Mulongo Barasa, Minister of Health. Honorable Alice Wahome, EGH, Minister of Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development. Mr. Julius Migos Ogamba, EBS, Minister of Education. Honorable Rosalinda Soipan Tuya, EGH, Minister of Defense. Dr. Andrew Mwihia Karanja, Minister of Agriculture and Livestock Development. Honorable Aden Bare Duale, EGH, Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry. Mr. Eric Murith Muuga, Minister of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation. Mr. Davis Chirchir, EGH, Minister of Roads and Transport. Dr. Margaret Nyambura Ndungu, Minister of Information, Communication and the Digital Economy. Honorable John Bandi Ngongo, EGH, the National Treasury and Economic Planning. Honorable Salim Mvuria Mgala, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. Ms. Rebecca Miano, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife. Honorable James Opio Wandai, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum. Honorable Onesimus Kipchumba Murkomen, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports. Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs. Honorable Dr. Alfred Nganga Mutua, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Labor and Social Protection. Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Order. Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME Development. Honorable Justin Bedan Njoka Muturi, EGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Public Service and Human Capital Development. Honorable members at the bar, take your seats. The nearest seat. The nearest seat. Nguna, that is not the nearest seat you are going to. Order, honorable members. Is Honorable Mbandi in the house? Where is he? Yeah, we said we'll call them in after the vote. Where is he? He will hold on out there. So having called all those 19 names, now I put the question as members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it. Order 2 rejects the appointment of Ms. Stella Soy Langat, as the Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Gender, Culture, the Arts and Heritage. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it. Order, it is clear there are no numbers to claim a division. Honorable members, you may now call in your colleagues who are exiting. Order. Take your seats. Honorable Amboka. Okay. Honorable Mbande and Wandai, you may now enter the chamber and take your seats. No, they are not. Order. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, Alice. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable members, after the vote. Order. And you know we have a precedent to this. Having taken the vote, this House will from this evening lose 2 members to the executive. And as we did last time with our colleagues, Honorable Duale and Alice Wahome, I'll give each one of the 2 an opportunity to say something to the House.